Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of NAD+ and its incredible benefits for anti-aging and overall health. NAD+, or Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, is a vital molecule found in every cell of your body, crucial for energy production. As we age, our NAD+ levels decline, but there are ways to boost them, unlocking benefits like increased energy, improved brain function, and protection against age-related diseases. Let's explore how you can boost your NAD+ levels and enhance your health. Let's talk about aging for a second. We can't avoid it, but what if we could age gracefully, feeling vibrant and healthy for longer? That's where NAD+ comes in. NAD+ acts as a conductor for proteins called sirtuins, often referred to as longevity genes, which help repair damage and keep cells running smoothly. As we age, sirtuin activity slows down, but increasing NAD+ levels can boost their efficiency. This increased sirtuin activity can potentially slow down the aging process at a cellular level, protect against age-related diseases, and even increase lifespan in some studies. While NAD+ isn't a magic pill for immortality, the science is promising. Boosting your NAD+ levels could help you age gracefully and maintain youthful vitality. Let's talk energy. NAD+ is like the spark plug for our cells' energy production centers, the mitochondria. Our cells need energy to function, and mitochondria convert food into usable energy, ATP. NAD+ is crucial for this conversion process. Without enough NAD+, our mitochondria can't function at their best. Optimal NAD+ levels make our mitochondria efficient, translating into increased energy levels, reduced fatigue, and even a boost in athletic performance. This increased energy can also positively impact our metabolism, helping maintain a healthy weight and support healthy blood sugar levels. It's like upgrading from regular fuel to premium. Let's get a little sciencey and talk about DNA, the blueprint of life. Our DNA is under constant attack from UV radiation, pollution, and aging, leading to damage and increased disease risk. Fortunately, our bodies have a built-in repair system, and NAD+ plays a critical role in this process. NAD+ activates enzymes called PARPs, which initiate DNA repair. Without enough NAD+, the repair process slows down, increasing the risk of mutations and disease. Boosting NAD+ levels supports efficient DNA repair, leading to healthier cells and reduced age-related disease risk. Let's talk about the brain, our body's command center. NAD+ plays a vital role in maintaining brain health and protecting against cognitive decline. It supports mitochondrial function, ensuring brain cells have the energy they need to function optimally. NAD+ also has neuroprotective effects, reducing inflammation, combating oxidative stress, and promoting neurogenesis. This helps enhance cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Boosting NAD+ levels can give your brain a helping hand, especially as you age. Let's talk about the immune system, our body's defense force. NAD+ plays a crucial role in supporting immune function and regulating inflammation. By boosting NAD+ levels, we provide our immune system with the energy it needs to stay strong and vigilant. This helps us fight off infections, recover faster from illness, and maintain overall immune health. NAD+ also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, preventing chronic inflammation linked to various health problems. Boosting NAD+ levels can support a healthy immune system and reduce inflammation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and insights. Boosting your NAD+ levels is one way to potentially enhance your health span and lifespan. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements or making significant changes to your health regimen. Take charge of your health, explore the benefits of NAD+, and embrace a healthier, more vibrant future.